I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Woo! I'm Mike Jones, turn up that! Hey girl Kim, come over here so come wine for me.
Empty buckle are doing that, so pretty.
Oh shit! Dog, you want genie? Yeah man, the thing real, me G. Yo, me never believe in them thing in the dog. Mad, bless up yourself. Yo, so wait, let me get 3 wish? Yeah, you get, well not 3. The thing kinda cut still, you get 2. Alright, here we go on. Me now go pressure the thing still. But me tell you more. No, me can't say more that car. No want that. Me no want no house. Well, you can't go wish none of them there, you know, cause to the rate of things I go jump and move away and the scammer them are running for everything, my dad. Dog, so if the wish them cut, what me can wish her? Me have $200 in my pocket still, you can hold on this. Yo, dog. Eh? Yo, the last 2 bits that they take for me now, man. John, no, dog, that rough still, you know. Yo, it's not easy for you live in another syrup back there, you know. You know how much of my rent, my youth. Me a deal plus with my rent alone. Me wish you come out of the buckle. Gaza. Mad thing. G, bless up for that, you know, man. Where you going? Like how me free your bad man left something with me now. See something here. Me catch it. Didn't get it come on. My, what about that dog? I run something else. You just run 2 bills and one. Oh, look boy, my mom start up with me never touch the road good yet.
Hola, if your man know him would a cry. Tell him a lie. Oh, you and I, you're more if you do. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me 1 bad wine last night. Just no more and some again. Tell him 1 more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me 1 bad wine last night. Just no more and some again. Tell him a lie.